Hello and good day. Welcome to our YouTube channel Empowerment. Today's video will be all about Angel Number 2020, meaning and symbolism. 10 topics on today's video will be as follows. What's the meaning of Angel Number 2020? What's the symbolism of 2020? What is the spiritual significance? What does the 2020 mean for love? What does 2020 mean for twin flames? What does 2020 for manifestation? How does Angel Number 2020 affect finances? What does 2020 mean for former relationships? How does 2020 guide your work life? What are the strengths of Angel Number 2020? What are the weaknesses of Angel Number 2020? What's the meaning of Angel Number 2020? Angel Number 2020 carries a message of balance, trust, and divine timing. It suggests that cooperation, patience, and faith in your journey are essential right now. The number 2 symbolizes relationships, diplomacy, and harmony, while 0 amplifies spiritual potential and infinite support from the universe. Together, they signify alignment with your soul purpose and the importance of staying calm while things unfold. This number encourages you to keep a long-term perspective, trust your intuition, and know that everything is happening for your highest good, even if results aren't immediately visible. What's the symbolism of Angel Number 2020? Symbolically, 2020 represents duality, harmony, and infinite possibilities rooted in spiritual balance. The repetition of the number 2 emphasizes partnership, cooperation, and emotional sensitivity, while the zeros highlight unity with divine energies and cycles of renewal. It is often seen as a sign to trust that the universe is orchestrating events behind the scenes. The number 2020 reflects the importance of seeing things clearly, both in your inner world and external circumstances. It reminds you to remain centered and cooperative while also being open to spiritual guidance. This number promotes clarity, patience, and alignment with life's greater rhythm. What is the Angel Number 2020 spiritual significance? Spiritually, 2020 calls for faith, mindfulness, and alignment with your higher self. It signals that your soul mission is being supported by divine forces and that spiritual development should be a priority. The number 2 resonates with divine purpose and serving others, while 0 brings you closer to spiritual wholeness and the source. This number may appear during times of reflection, transformation, or growth, guiding you to release control and embrace trust. It encourages balance between the physical and spiritual realms, reinforcing that your angels are nearby, guiding you toward deeper awareness and inner peace. What does the Angel Number 2020 mean for love? In love, Angel Number 2020 suggests harmony, mutual understanding, and the importance of emotional balance in relationship. It encourages you to communicate openly, show patience, and nurture a partnership built on mutual trust. For singles, 2020 may indicate that a meaningful relationship is approaching, especially one with spiritual significance. It's a reminder to keep your heart open and your standards high. In troubled relationships, 2020 promotes healing through empathy and honest dialogue. Overall, it emphasizes building lasting connections with shared values and spiritual alignment, highlighting love that evolves through cooperation and inner growth. What does Angel Number 2020 mean for twin flames? For twin flames, Angel Number 2020 is a powerful sign of progress and divine orchestration. It often appears when the twin flame journey requires patience, understanding, and spiritual maturity. The mirrored nature of the number mirrors the connection between twin flames and signals that both souls are being prepared for union or reunion. It suggests that balance within each individual is key to achieving harmony together. If you're experiencing separation, 2020 reassures that this period is part of your spiritual development. Trust the process and focus on personal healing while divine timing aligns your twin flame path. What does Angel Number 2020 for manifestation? Angel number 2020 is a supportive number for manifestation, especially when intentions are rooted in harmony, service, and spiritual alignment. It reminds you that manifestation isn't always fast or obvious, but with patience and belief, your desires will unfold in divine timing. The number 2 asks for faith and alignment with others, while 0 brings a reminder of infinite potential and spiritual support. This number encourages you to stay optimistic, act with integrity, and trust the process. It's also a prompt to visualize your goals clearly and release doubts that may be holding back your manifestation progress. How does Angel number 2020 affect finances? Financially, Angel number 2020 suggests that balance, cooperation, and long-term planning are key to achieving stability. It's not about quick wealth, but building a secure and spiritually aligned financial future. The energy of 2 indicates partnership and shared financial goals, while 0 encourages trust in divine timing and the abundance of the universe. This number may prompt you to make more collaborative or conscious financial decisions. It's also a nudge to avoid fear-based spending and instead focus on steady growth, giving back, and using your financial resources to support your greater life purpose. What does Angel number 2020 mean for former relationships? Angel number 2020 invites you to find peace and closure regarding former relationship. It encourages you to reflect with compassion, not regret, and to understand how those experiences contributed to your personal and spiritual growth. The number 2 supports emotional healing and reconciliation, while 0 brings a spiritual reset and connection to a greater plan. This number suggests that forgiveness, both for yourself and others, is essential for moving forward. It also implies that clarity and emotional balance are within reach if you're willing to let go of the past and trust in the unfolding of your path. How does Angel number 2020 guide your work life? In your work life, Angel number 2020 encourages teamwork, patience, and strategic thinking. It signals that collaboration and diplomacy will bring more success than solo ambition right now. The number 2 highlights relationships, suggesting you should build strong professional connections and communicate effectively. The 0s emphasize aligning your career with your higher purpose and trusting that divine timing is guiding your progress. If you're contemplating a career shift, this number suggests that steady preparation will lead to positive outcomes. Overall, 2020 advises finding work that brings both material satisfaction and spiritual fulfillment through balance and intention. What are the strengths of Angel number 2020? The strengths of Angel number 2020 include emotional intelligence, patience, balance, and spiritual awareness. People influenced by this number tend to be empathetic, cooperative, and deeply intuitive. They excel in creating harmony within relationships and have a natural ability to mediate conflict and build strong teams. The number's emphasis on duality and divine guidance allows them to see both sides of any situation and make wise, fair decisions. 2020 also gives strength in endurance, helping individuals navigate delays with grace and remain hopeful even during uncertainty. Their calm, thoughtful presence often uplifts and reassures those around them. What are the weaknesses of Angel number 2020? Weaknesses of Angel number 2020 can include indecisiveness, over-reliance on others, or becoming too passive in the face of challenges. The energy of the number may second lead to excessive people-pleasing or difficulty asserting oneself, especially in emotionally charged situations. The influence of 0, while spiritually profound, can also feel empty or uncertain if one lacks direction. People resonating with 2020 may struggle with trusting their path fully or may delay taking action out of fear. To overcome these weaknesses, it's important to cultivate self-confidence, establish boundaries, and take initiative while still honoring your peaceful, cooperative nature.